welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about the top 10 of my ratcheting screwdriver. For example, in front of you, you have Craftsman, Inbus, Gedore, Hazet, Mega Pro Automotive R, Klein tools, Vera, SWISSTOOls, and Williams T-handle and WRS1. From previous my video, you know that my go-to ratcheting screwdriver is that one, Mega Pro Automotive R with 90mm stainless steel shaft. Also this one, which is with a 100mm shaft. This is with 200mm. This is at 92mm shafts, and the rest of them, except Klein tools and Craftsman, they are with 100mm extension. But Hazet is the only one which is able to make him shorter than other. Both of them, all these four here, they hold 12 bits on the magazine. Press and pull by Hazet, they hold 12 bits. Mega Pro Automotive R is with a rotatable carousel with 12 bits. Gedore was a press and pull as well with 12 bits also. And Inbus also is with that kind of type. Same like Hazet and Gedore, but they mark on the bottom what kind of bits you have and which size they are. PB Swiss is with a different one, hold 10 bits. Craftsman is with unscrewed cap here, also with 7 double-ended bits, which means that there are 14 different. And Vera is with press and pop-ups 6 single-ended bits, and Williams is with unscrewed cap, also holds around 11 bits, but there you feel this cavity here and screwed cap as well. Klein tools, they are different. They have they combine nut drivers with the double-ended bits, and also here on this end, they including one which is with hold it on the place with a magnet, which is a normal one, 25mm PH2 with that one. You have 3/16 on this and 5/16. Sorry, this is 3/8 and 5/16 on this end, and also T25 is combined with PH1. Removing this, you have slotted, and also if you remove one of the double-ended bits, you have a 1/4 of the inch nut driver. Williams, other one Williams, this is T-handle, is with 200mm blade and hold only 1 bit. About their selector. If you turn it to the right, going right, this one, this Williams as well, and also these three, they are same like other two Williams. You turn it to the right, go right. You turn it to the left, go right, go left. These four are opposite. You turn it to the left to go right, or you turn it to the right to go left. Also, this one is different because it's only with two positions on the coach, but it's a push up to unloosening screws, push in to screw it screws, and also if you're holding this ring, start to tightening screws 2 times faster than traditional screwdriver. I mean traditional ratcheting screwdriver. Many of you know, which follow my channel, that this is my go-to ratcheting screwdriver. Is how to say, on first place is for me. Second one is that one, this Williams. On third place is Vera. On fourth place is Klein. After that is Swiss. Then is Inbus. Other two silent gears. This is a specific screwdriver. I mean, if you on situation in which you need, I mean, on a deep place, you need longer reach screwdrivers. That one is acceptable because with I already told you, with 200 millimeters blade. And this is on the last place, but is how to say, if I must to get 2 screwdrivers to finish the job, I'm gonna get this one and that one. The rest of them, I don't know how to say. I like them, but my go-to are these 2. Where they made, probably you know, but let's say them again. So Craftsman is made in China. Mega Pro Automotive R is made in Canada. Hazet, Inbus, and Gedore, they are German brand, but they are made in I think Slovakia was Slovenia, yeah. All these 3 they are made in Slovenia. This is on Czech Republic. This is American brand, but is made in Taiwan. This Swiss is a Swiss-made screwdriver, and these 2, they are part of Snap-on, and they are made in USA. I have how to say, I have a lot of screwdrivers, but this is my top 10. The choice is yours, guys. If if you want to buy a screwdriver which is gonna last you long, probably it's gonna be some of these 10 screwdrivers which I have. For example, this is the most expensive one. This is around £100 here now in UK. I get mine from Amazon UK for 87.53, I believe. This was £40. This also is 38.53 or something like this. Is now maybe it's gonna cost you 38. This was 42. This they came from Amazon UK, Amazon DE, and cost me with the shipping £39, something like that. This was £26, and this now we're gonna cost you £32. This is model number of this one is, I don't know, you're able to see it here. Was 32 500 HDRT ratcheting screwdriver. Also is a nut driver. Thank you for your attention. On next time I'm gonna show you my top 10 of the bit holding screwdrivers. And also, if you like my channel, please subscribe it for my channel to go up. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.